Hey Kevin, do you know Illuminati?
What? What Illuminati?
Don't you know that? Put your hand like this, boy.
Okay, okay.
And I'll put mine. It's a triangle.
Whoa.
Whoa. Trigonometry.
Trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between the sides and angles of triangles. Trigonometry is found all throughout geometry, as every straight-sided shape may be broken into a collection of triangles. Further still, trigonometry has astoundingly intricate relationships to other branches of mathematics, in particular complex numbers, infinite series, logarithms, and especially calculus. So what are the uses of trigonometry? Does learning trigonometry benefit us in any way? Students nowadays are confused as to why we study trigonometry. Why? Well, it's because it is unlikely that one will ever need to directly apply a trigonometric function in solving a practical issue. But despite this, it is more useful than we know. We use it in everyday life, not just in various fields like engineering, physics, and so on. So now, let's talk about the different professions or jobs that use the application of trigonometry.
Trigonometry. Trigonometry helps future doctors to know X-ray waves, radiation waves, ultraviolet waves, and also the oceanic wave that affects human body.
In architecture, we use trigonometry to build a secure and a safety building. Also, we draw and plan buildings in a blueprint and we use trigonometry. We use trigonometry in finding the length of the wall by using tangent. Examples of trigonometry in architecture, we use the arcs, the suspension bridge, we also find the domes and the beams. That's all for today. Thank you.
Trigonometry in archaeology. Hello there, folks. I'm an archaeologist. If you want to know the function of trigonometry in my profession, then you should know that trigonometry is used by archaeologists to know the areas that we will utilize and camp on. We will dig it and find an artifact. Rather than randomly finding an area, we use mathematics, specifically trigonometry.
Another profession in which uses trigonometry is astronomy. Astronomers use trigonometry for computations. They use it to find the distances of nearby stars as well as other celestial objects through the method of parallax. This kind of trigonometry is called spherical trigonometry.
Trigonometry in engineering. We engineers use trigonometry in order to measurement the angle of the component comprising the foundation of the building, and also to determine the appropriate height and length of the building.
Hey Rain, do you see that building?
The white one or this stone structure?
No, the white one.
Oh, so tall, boy.
Yeah, and so clean.
Yes.
Never mind that. Let's talk about this stone structure.
Okay, what's in that stone structure?
It always mesmerized me
Oh,
on how
me-
it's formed.
Oh, me too. I'm astonished by how that structure was built. By the way, do you know how to measure that structure without even climbing on it?
No, do you?
Put your hand like this again. Stand. Combine it with me.
Oh,
You see that?
yes.
Trigonometry.
Solving real-life applications of trigonometry. So in this example, we are given here 1,000 kilometers, and that distance is the distance between the airport and the plane. In this example, we need to find the h, which is the height or the elevation of the plane. We are also given an angle, 60 degrees. So we can see that this is obviously a triangle. So we need to apply the concept of sine, cosine, and tangent. We all know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So we need to use cosine. Why? Because we are finding for the height, the adjacent side, adjacent over hypotenuse. So here's how to solve it. You'll input cosine 60 degrees equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is the height and the hypotenuse is 1000 kilometers. So in order to solve this, we need to eliminate h in this side. So to eliminate h or the height, we need to multiply both sides by 1000. So multiply both sides by 1000. And it will be like this: 1000 cosine 60 degrees is equals to 1000 times h, 1000 h all over 1000. So this will be eliminated and it will only be h, and copy this: 1000 cosine 60 degrees. So let's input that into the calculator. So 1000 cosine 60 degrees, and that gives us 500 kilometers is equals to the height or the elevation of the plane. Trigonometry plays a huge part in our lives. Why do I say so? Because it makes our lives better. It makes everyone live better in a way that through the use of trigonometry, we are able to make accurate calculations. For example, without the use of trigo, engineers and architects won't be able to build structures that are faultless and grand as the buildings we have today. Can trigonometry be helpful, or can trigonometry contribute to the next generation? Well, I think that trigonometry can be helpful for the coming generations, just like how it is helpful to us now. Trigo can help them become critical thinkers. I can say for sure, though, that trigonometry can make a huge impact to the people as well as the world in the future. But I think that there is a possibility that those from the next generation may find more ways in which they can apply trigonometry. And maybe, through this, they are able to enhance trigonometry itself. This may lead to the development of advanced technology and new findings or discoveries.
If you think trigonometry isn't important to us, then you are wrong. We have already shown you the importance of trigonometry in many different professions. You are wrong if you think trigonometry is useless to humanity. If you aim to be the person that you want to be, study trigonometry.